Hello YouTube, Dano here. Yeah, hit my favorite place. The ReStore. Yep. Found a few nice pairs of pliers. These here, these I found pretty cool because of what it says on the inside. Patent November 4th, 1899. Got a curve there. It's got this type of an opening and a hook. What I was thinking, because it seems to grab hold of the cans nice, maybe it's something for putting stuff on the fire. Not sure. These are pretty cool. No name pair of pliers. They're done quite well though. A wee pair of nips. Nice tack hammer. Needs to be straightened out a bit though. This I thought was pretty cool though. Gray. Made in Canada. This I'm pretty sure is a pointing tool for doing cement. That is a muffler tool. And there's some vintage Mastercraft and a Benchmark, but these handles are almost virtually the same, just a different color. Got a soldering end. Got a nice clamp there. Grab hold of a spot about like that. It's a Monument. This is brand on the other side. I'll take a peek through these wrenches. Focus. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. There we go. So we got a Dreadnought, Electrolyte, a few Mastercraft. I kind of like these old style Mastercraft. They look pretty neat. That's a newer one, but still with the old script. Another made in USSR. A few grays. ETC Industrial. And the top one there has no name on it. But it is a 19 and a 3/4 and a 5/8 and 18. Kind of weird. Yeah, that's not a bad little tool haul from the ReStore. Alright, in any case, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Dano out.